So we're here in this perfect spot where a lot of weddings get conducted. And of course, if you're gonna have yours indoors or outdoors, we're gonna bring a mat and see how beautiful it looks. We're gonna measure it, how long it is. And if you think this is something that you're gonna need for your party, then maybe it's something you take a look at it. Now, they have various sizes, various colors, and the material is thick enough so you can put it down on the ground and remove it, and you could keep it for many years or many parties too. Now, just to let you guys know, when it's in white, it's gonna get dirty. So recommendation, maybe get a fader color and you can find out how long it's gonna last you. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's about 30 feet, 35 feet. But you guys can see, if you're gonna have a wedding or party, this is a perfect thing for you guys to actually walk on. And if you're not gonna do a birthday or a wedding or celebration, you can use it for any occasion, even awards. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.